Hello my lovely people, and welcome back again to today's episode. In today's video we'll be making yam porridge. So if you want to see how I prepare this yummy and delicious yam porridge or pottage, whichever way you call it, keep watching. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please try and do so to join me, and also give the video a thumbs up if you like what you are seeing. So now I will introduce you to the ingredients we will need to prepare this yam pottage or porridge. So here I have dry fish. I have 2 red tomato, 1 sweet pepper, bell pepper 1 onion. I have my seasoning cube. I have 2. My crayfish. I will be using dry pepper for this recipe, and the red oil, my salt, and here is the yam. The main ingredients. Here it is, the yam. So that is the yam. This is the one I will be using, and there I have my fresh spinach. Now I will start by cutting my onion, getting ready all my ingredients. I always like, whenever I'm cooking, to get all my ingredients ready before starting to cook. In this way it's more easier and faster for me. I will also cut my bell pepper, the yam itself. I will also cut it. I'll just cut it into 4, just this way. If you prefer your yam smaller, you can cut it the way you like. And after cutting it, you have to put it in water so that the color will not change. So now I have finished preparing all the ingredients. As you can see, everything is ready. We now start our cooking process. I will start by adding the red oil, and when the oil heats, I will add in my onion, now I will stir it. I will also be adding a little salt to the onion. After some minutes, then I will add the red bell pepper and the plum tomatoes that I have cut earlier on. I will give it a good stir and leave it to fry for some minutes. Stirring it often so that it doesn't get burnt. At this point, I will be adding the cleaned dry fish. the crayfish, I will stir everything together. Now I will be adding a little curry powder. Also black pepper. I'll be adding a little. My seasoning cubes. I will add the salt. Then I will stir everything together. Now I will be adding the yams. And I will give it a good stir. Wow, it smells so wonderful. The aroma now in my kitchen. Wow. Now I will be adding water. And the water have to be in the same level with the yam, so that your yam porridge will not be too watery. I'll be adding a little more salt, but the taste is so nice. I will stir it and I will cover it and leave it to cook. Here, after some minutes of cooking, wow, it smells so wonderful, eh? I'm just checking if the yams are soft. I think I will be leaving it for some more minutes. I will stir it, then I will cover it and leave it to cook for some more minutes. Wow, as you can see, they are now very soft. That is how I like my yam pottage or porridge. Yeah, they are well cooked now. So now I will be adding my, yeah, it's well cooked now. Now I will be adding my spinach. Put everything. Now we'll be giving it a good stir to mix everything together. Wow. Can you just see that? Now I will just turn off my heat. It's off. So now I will serve it. Wow, do you see how that looks like? My goodness, do you see that? Please, if you have not yet liked the video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please try and do so. I don't know what you're waiting for, just try and join me to this journey, okay? Try and support me by liking the video and subscribing to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell. And that is the end for today. Bye bye.